Hi viewers, welcome to SHS Tech Solutions. This is the 19th tutorial for Bootstrap beginners. Today, in this tutorial, we discuss on the topic is Bootstrap list groups. What we discuss on today? Bootstrap list groups. In this tutorial, we mainly discuss on these 6 topics. What is that? Basic list groups. What we discuss on in this tutorial? Basic list groups, list group items with badges. Basic list group, basic list group with badges, and a list group with the hyperlink items and contextual classes, and a list group with custom content. Today we mainly discuss on these topics. Before going to topic, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing technologies like SEO, SMO, SMM, complete free web tutorials and digital marketing technologies provide SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can directly get notifications to your Gmail. Okay guys, I'm going to topic what we discuss on today. Bootstrap list groups. How to create Bootstrap list groups. Yeah, I am explain step by step. Here, this is the basic HTML structure. We all of you know. Here, I am calling only Bootstrap library, Bootstrap min.css and jQuery min.css, Bootstrap min.js. I am also creating a style.css file. I am also call in head section. Okay, next I will write SHS solutions. Bootstrap tutorial for once we check the output. This is the output. URL class list group. Class name is list group. Okay, so the output, and this is the output. This is the basic list group. Bootstrap basic list group. Okay. Next, list group with badges. Next, list group with badges. List one. I'm adding span class badge. Okay, and so check the output. Yeah, here this is the basic list group with badges. Basic list group with badges. Okay, next list group with list group with hyperlink items. List group with hyperlink items. Do class list to UL class list group href class list group item list to list group with hyperlink items. Also check the output. This is the list group with the hyperlinks items. This is the hyperlink here. Right, active. Disable. JavaScript. Record to check the output. This is the active class. This one is the disabled class. This one is the active class and this one is the disabled class. List group with the hyperlinks. And next one is the how to apply styles to this list groups. Bootstrap will provide some contextual classes. I will show new class list 3 UL class list group. Okay, next here li class list group item list group item primary. Okay, now so we'll check the output. List group contextual classes. But this is the primary. Primary is not showing any color. Primary. Success info. Bootstrap. So warning. JavaScript. jQuery, danger. Once you check the outputs, this is the first one is the primary, second one is the success, and third one is the info, warning, and danger. So next I will write list group with custom content. List group with custom content, new class list for list2, list group with custom content, dual class list group. Okay, a href class list group item h3 class list group item heading. Heading class list group text, sorry, list group item text. Text. So check the output. This is the output. Suppose here I am right active. This is the active. Okay. Next one I will write no active list group. Second okay. This class name is disabled. The first one is the active and last one is the disabled class. So guys, this is the process to write the Bootstrap basic list group, Bootstrap basic list group with badges, and a list group with hyperlinks, list group with contextual classes, list group with custom content. And next I will apply the small CSS for this. Margin 0, padding 0, H1, text align center, color, body, background color, dark slate blue, color white. Padding 10 pixel, bottom 5px, dashed. Okay, this will check the output. Yeah, this is the output. Dot list Step 1, color. Okay. So check the output. Yeah, this is the output. So guys, this is the process to write the Bootstrap basic list groups using Bootstrap also. I hope we all are understand how to write the Bootstrap list groups. If you have any doubts or comments, please below the video. Before going to complete this tutorial, I will say one thing again. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies and digital marketing technologies also. So guys, please like, share my videos and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can directly get notifications to your Gmail. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye.